Dawn from Let's Make a Mess today. How are you doing? So we are here tonight to let you know that we have, who's we? I have a mouse in my pocket. I am here tonight to let you know that I have 4 of these journals on my Etsy shop right now. These are the Flow Journals. These are probably going to be the last Flow Journals I do, at least for a couple of months, based on my time being pretty busy right now. So if you want these, you might want to grab them or wait. That's okay. I am going to be doing them again. I just don't know when. So let's just go ahead and take a look at these journals. These are almost exactly like the ones I did last time. I'm using the same batik fabric and on all of them. So I just wanted you to see these. So here, let's go ahead and get started. Let's show you the blue ones first, and then we'll look at the multicolored. Everything's basically the same. Of course, you know, these are all custom. The dangles are custom because I only have, you know, a few of each thing. So yeah, so the dangles are custom. Let's take a look. They're 9x6 fabric covered batiks. They have, everybody has a charm. This one says good as gold. Everybody has a charm, and there's like just bits and bobs, glass beads, all kinds of good, yummy things on these. So I hope you love these as much as I do. I just love making them. Anyway, so there are 3 signatures. They're not sewn in. There's 3 signatures. There is a clasp here. There is a oh my gosh, grommet there so that it doesn't tear, and they're easy to open. Okay, so let's just go ahead and get started. Everybody kind of has the same thing. Again, there's 3 signatures. They are not sewn in. They're flow journals, so you can take these out. You can make these your own journals. So they're really soft, they're yummy, and they're cardboard on the inside, which goes all the way to the edge because that's how I like to finish my journals. And they're just full of a lot of yummy, yummy stuff. And also, by the way, if you buy these, I always add more goodies to the box. So just be aware of that. These are meant to be taken apart like your flow journal, like your flow magazines. But, you know, you can leave these as is. They lie nice and flat. They're easy to write in. So you can just leave these as is to, you know, play with yours. I think this is mulberry. I'm not sure. Cut a couple of those bird cutouts. Lots of cool little cute cutouts this time. My French, there's 1, 2, 3 in this one. There's 3 or 4 in each. So there's a French dictionary, which I love. There's this pretty ribbon that I picked up, and this I've tried it. You guys, you've seen me do it on my Fatty Patty. It goes down real well with glue, and then there's some of this yummy. I love these here because I always on my Fatty Patty. You'll notice that I keep this on here because I love that texture. And then I found these badges. They're like a sergeant badge. They're the real deal. So one of those in everybody. Recipe cards. This black and white. Look at this. This notebook paper. It's just pretty cool, guys. Pretty cool. Let's see, some Asian cards. Oh, and there's some of this handmade paper. Isn't that cool? And I've got it in here with a Brad. So that's there. And then just some napkin, wallpaper. And then there's this really cool vintage border. I love this. Love, love, love it. So I wanted to add that. And then, of course, a little sticker here for you just because I love it. And those are fun. And then just some more paper. This is just full of a lot of junk journal ephemera, you guys. So if you're into junk journals, this is all you need. This is all you need right here. And then some really cool pages out of one of my books. I'll explain that to you in another video. And then some really sparkly, beautiful scrap paper, a couple sheets of that. And then this chipboard. Everybody's got one of those chipboards. And then this cute little girl. One of these doesn't have one of these girls, but it has extra it's like a squid or something. And I put a lot more of this. There's a whole bunch of stuff here. And I put a lot more of this one. And the one that didn't have the girls, they got a lot more cut out. So that's fair. Yeah. And then a Coca-Cola coaster. And just a really cool postcard from that I got when I was in Palm Springs not too long ago. And these are those 2022 calendars that Autumn made, and I went ahead and put the ones that she made in here because I just did not have the time, you guys, to do any of it. This is give thanks for a little and you will find a lot. So there's a lot of really pretty little sayings on here, and thank you, Autumn, for donating these to the cause. I appreciate it. There's some guest checks and a be a flamingo and a flock of pigeons. I love that. So there's different words here to use. You can see where this is a grommet right there, so you can untie it. And just this is your journal. You can do with what you like with it. And then this is the wildlife safari here in Oregon. There's an Oregon card there. All kinds of fun ephemera to play with. You've seen me work with these with my napkins. So you can go check out that video if you haven't seen it yet. Some Asian paper. Some beautiful spring cards. I love these playing cards. They're so Easter-like, right? So beautiful. And then just some more of those different colored papers to work with and play with. And of course, one of these, everybody has a dead president. I call it the dead presidents because these would be cool to put a crown on, you guys, on a sheet. And then, of course, the sparkly fabric. And then tickets and more little stickers. Because you see me in my Fatty Patty where I just love to go through and just do stickers after stickers. And then some yoga kitties. And then there's this embossed paper. And so that will take care of the blue. So that's the blue. And it's got some, a chunky paper clips on the top. So that'll take care of the blue. And I'm only going to show you like each. And then here's the other blue. Isn't that beautiful? So fun. So now let's take a look at one of these guys. And there's two of these. So there's going to be two Batik blue. And these are 9x6 approximately. And these are the multi. And these are the 9x6 approximately. And these are the chunkies too as well. I mean, I just tie all kinds of bits and bobs on these. And they're just so much fun. And I just love them to pieces. And I hope that you do as well. This is yummy. So, but these are going to be the last flows that I do for a while, you guys. I'm just it's a lot with a new puppy, So, but I will be doing some other stuff. I don't know quite yet what or when. But yeah, so this is on here with a Brad. And again, I think this is mulberry paper. I'm not sure. Well, it'd be nice if I came in the screen for it. Dead president. And some cutouts. And then these birds again. I love these birds. These are fun. So there's those birds. And lots of ephemera. And then there's these Spanish, Latino. And there's these bees. These embossed bees. These are, I don't know if you, there you go. That's kind of cool. And then some napkins and yoga kitty. This one looks like Misty. Isn't that funny? Little Misty yoga kitty. And here's another one of those mermaids with all of the, stuff to go with it. These are just fun Fatty Patty ephemera, you guys. Just a lot of fun. And again, I love these in my Fatty Patties. I leave those hanging over the edge. They're super yummy. They just add to the page. And there's that vintage border, which I love. And again, these lie nice and flat. So you can use these as you don't have to take them apart. You can use them as is. Or take them apart and re-sew them in. It's completely up to you. This is your journal. I love making these, but unfortunately, they're so time-consuming. And I just don't have the time to do these right now. Here's some of that handmade paper. This is pretty cool. Really, 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 really textured. So you'll have that in each one. And some cool magazine or book pages. And then some of that black notebook paper with the white lines on it. I love it. You can hear your jingle jangling there. And then, so what do we got here? Another sticker. And then, of course, like I said, there'll be other stuff on the side that I'm sending you. And then some more upholstery fabric, which I love. Oh, and this is handmade paper as well. I didn't tell you that about the other one. This is handmade as well. And there's another one of Autumn's beautiful calendars. Thank you so much, Autumn. And a cute little paper clip here. And then some more. This is the handmade paper right here. And then I love every piece of paper in here is collage worthy, you guys. So head on over to my Etsy shop. Pick these up if you're so inclined. This is Detroit Lake here in Portland. My life is big. My life is bigger than I am. Green grass is greenest where you water it. So yeah, again, I love doing these, but boy, I didn't realize how time consuming they were until I got a dog. Once I got a puppy, I was like, oh, I'm so proud of myself to get these done, you guys. These could have been one of those things where you got part way and said, oh, I don't know if I can do it. But I really had to do it because I love these Batik journals. I know that you love them as well. So I just really wanted to get these out to you. Some more stickers right here. So, and I've got some more projects coming down the pipe that aren't as, I don't mean I don't have to, they're not as time consuming. So yeah, so there's that. So again, I have two 9x12. These are the, this is the multi. This is the multi. Try to make it as glittery and as beautiful as possible. This is the blue. These are the blues. Uh-oh. Yeah, these are the blues. Isn't that pretty? Look at this. Isn't that gorgeous? There's some glass beads on here, plastic beads, button, paper beads. I mean, you name it, it's on here. So head over to my Etsy shop and grab these if you're interested, you guys. I'm not trying to scare you, but I really, honestly, this time don't know when I'm going to do this again because of the simple fact, this one's big. Because of the simple fact that I'm dealing with a 10-week-old puppy, and it's a lot. And I'm not going to lie, it's a lot. So there you are. So head over to the Etsy shop. They're on there right now. And I hope you guys enjoy this. And I will see you on Wednesday for a live Fatty Patty. All right. I love you guys. You take care. Thank you so much for supporting my channel by buying things from my Etsy shop. And I appreciate you. Take care. Love you. Bye.